Hello guys, today I will be showing you how to scan QR code with your phone. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. So let's start. If you're using Android, then all you have to do here is go to your Google, tap on your Google right here, and then you should see that lens icon beside or below Google. Now what you're going to do is you have to tap on this lens icon and then point it directly to that specific QR code. And after that, tap on this search icon right here and it will take you directly to that specific site. So basically that is the first method on how to scan QR code on your phone, especially if you're using Android. Now most of Android phones. Okay, if you go to camera, there is a built-in there. Like you can scan the QR code inside this camera application. But unfortunately, in my Android, I don't have one. Now, if you don't have one also, then don't worry. You can go to Google Play Store. You can exit this one first, go to Google Play Store, and then search for QR code applications. Tap on the search icon and then type QR code or QR code scanner. And then after that, you have to click and then tap on install. Once done, then you can now exit your Google Play Store and open the QR code scanner application. And same thing, you just have to point the camera on that specific QR code and it will read the QR code. Now, once detected, you have to click the link here or open website. So basically, these are just a few ways on how to scan QR code with your phone. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.